Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these Carhartt Storm Defender Insulated Secure Thermal Cuff Gloves. So there's the model number. Need some gloves for night for working or walking, so these look like a good pick. Saw great reviews on them. Carhartt, trusted brand. All right. Storm Defender. Here's the texture on the glove. Feels really nice. Alright. Here's the packaging, men's medium. Keeps you dry in heavy rain. That's great. It's kind of cool. They clip together, looks like. Alright, separated them. And I don't have scissors on me to break these apart, but let me see if I can try one on for you guys. I think I need to loosen it. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Velcro over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these feel really good. Really feels warm inside. Flexible, soft inside, good movement, good range of motion. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got these from. And please let me know what you guys all think of these gloves in the comment section below. Cool. Take care, everyone. Catch you on the next unboxing video. Later.